Meanwhile, as mentioned earlier, the protest spread to other parishes today. Taxi operators in Westmoreland and St. Mary now joining their colleagues in other areas. In a grill in Little London, Westmoreland, the operators voiced the same grouses as their colleagues in other parishes, including about the fine for not having a badge, which the Transport Authority has labelled as fake news. Head of the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Gary Mackenzie, did not address that matter, but he appealed to the Transport Authority to ensure all licensed taxi operators have the badge.
I know that there have been some issues in relation to some persons receiving their badges and receiving it on time. I personally have been in discussion with different persons at the authority. I believe that that is something that needs to be straightened out. Once you're allowed any at all to operate a taxi, you should be given your driver's badge.
Meanwhile, in Big Gate, St. Mary, there was a cat and mouse game between the police and taxi operators who are bent on blocking the road in protest this morning. Taxi operators blocked the road, bringing traffic to a standstill. The police cleared the roads, but it was blocked again, leaving some students on the evening shift stranded. The roads were eventually cleared. One taxi driver, however, raised concern about the ticketing system.
You see, when we pay our ticket, they are not clearing the system. So the ticket, they are rolling over and then come over in a warrant. So they are paying for the ticket 3 and 4 times. We need the government to do what? We need the government to clear all these systems, and then we can get our thing right and going.